Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Today class is ancient science versus modern science. Some more facts we are going to decode. According to ancient science is telling that ekam sat vipraha bahudha vadanti. That means the true God is one, though the sages addresses him by multiple names. We know that we have many gods. Yes, but the origin is same. In the last class we discussed everything. The universe is Shakti. Yes, now according to modern science, the universe is energy. Almost same. Now, what about this multiple gods concept? See here, according to this modern science, the universe began from a single primordial atom. This is proved by Big Bang theory. It is initiated by George Lemaitre first in the 1920. Okay, now some more facts we can decode. This ancient science and modern science. The ancient science says that Trimurti concept. So the Shakti is manifested this Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Here, this modern science, the energy is in the form of electron, proton, and neutron is there. Here, how can we compare these three? See, according to this Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha, you can see here, this is the whole concept here. Many gods are there. Among them, here important three gods. One is Vishnu. See, one is Vishnu. The next god is here Brahma, and the next one is Shiv. Shiv, Vishnu, and Brahma. So, how can we compare this with atoms? In the atom, neutron is there, proton is there at the nucleus, electron is revolving around the nucleus. Here, the proton is, see here, the proton is Vishnu. The electron is Brahma. Here Shiva is neutron. Shiva is neutron. Vishnu is proton. Electron is Brahma. See, the proton is connected with the electron. We know that due to the electrostatic force, the electron is held by the proton. Okay. Now, neutron is neutral. And according to this, ancient science is telling that every manifestation, this all human activities, the world or universe activities is responsible by the Lord Brahma. In the modern science, all chemical reactions is due to electron. Here these all activities, human activities, whatever activities are there, those are due to Brahma. Yes. Now, next, one more point here. See again here, Shiv is equal to Vishnu plus Brahma. The Vishnu is positive charge, Brahma is negative charge, that is proton and electron. Proton and electron. In the mass factor, if you see, the neutron equal to proton plus electron mass. Neutron is already neutral, of course it is a positive charge and a negative charge. If combinedly it become neutral. Mass, the neutron mass equal to proton mass plus electron mass. These two gods is equal to Shiv. So the activities done by Brahma there, here by electron. Okay, so many things given in the form of theory or Puranas, but some more facts we will discuss in the next video. Again, the present scientists failed to decode those science facts. Till the time, watch the video, like, share it and comment it. Thank you.